The Institute of Production Management and Technology from the Hamburg University of Technology is working on innovative methods to capture 3D geometry. For the scanning of large objects with Kin4Go, we utilize the Microsoft Kinect. It uses an infrared emitter to project a point pattern onto the objects in the field of view. The scene is captured with an infrared camera and compared to a reference image for depth calculations. The 3D camera and the tablet are attached to a mount, the Mobile Scan Unit, MSU. This unit provides an ergonomic usage of the Kinect while being able to check the results in real time. The user can move around freely, scanning in all directions while being able to watch the emerging 3D model on the tablet in front of him. This is important for verifying the integrity of the model and ruling out errors during the scanning. The tablet PC is just used for evaluation. The heavy payload of processing is done on a workstation, for example, a campable laptop or desktop PC, since the computational power of a tablet is not sufficient. The readout from the algorithm is mirrored on the tablet via Wi-Fi. Additional buttons allow the remote control of the application on the workstation. If errors occur, the scanning process can be restarted right away without the need to change the location. After finishing the scanning process, the resulting 3D model can be viewed instantaneously in a CAD program, like MeshLab for example. The data is stored as a surface model, and even the biggest models, like ship engines, can be edited in a wide variety of programs.